You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Italian word designating somebody that is very talkative, I believe. If you know better, let us know in the comment. Yeah, somebody that talks a bit too much. Chiacchierone. Chiacchierone. Alright, so let's break it down and explain a little bit. So it's like chatterbox, okay, chatterbox. CH in Italian is pronounced like K, okay. C is pronounced like Ch, and CH like K. So it's chia, chie. Because you have double CH in the middle, you want to stress on the K sound in the middle. Chiacchierone. Chiacchierone is how it's said. Chiacchierone. Chiacchierone. Or in English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can always say it as Chiacchierone. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.